Hi everyone, how are you doing today? So I'm here to discuss about how to boost your growth, which means the way we use self-improvement apps that will help us in achieving our daily life and also elevate your life as well. So just to begin, these are some of the supercharge apps that you can use for personal journey. The first one is called the Headspace. The Headspace app helps you to, meditate. It has this guided meditation and also mindfulness app. So it kind of helps you to stay calm, to be able to, address every, chaotic impression or gesture that you have, which means the meditation sessions will help you to be able to manage stress, to be able to improve focus, and also boost your overall well-being as well. The second app is Duolingo. It unlocks new languages because, it's nice to learn, new languages to be able to, have self-improvement as well. So learning a new language has never been more accessible, but this Duolingo app helps to, tune your language and also learn into a game which has a lot of puzzles, lessons, interactive exercises, and also, it helps you to have this relaxed form of learning. So Duolingo, it's a very nice learning app for a new language for self-improvement. The third app is called Todoist. It helps to organize your life, which means, raise your hand if you've ever used an overwhelmed app task, which means it's kind of simplify everything for you. It will help you to manage your task, your deadlines, and also, it helps to create to-do list for you as well. It's kind of it helps you to minimize your large task into priorities, scale of preferences, as well as tracking your progress as well. Plus, the satisfaction of checking off completed task goes a long way, which means it's priceless. The fourth app is called Forest. It helps you to stay focused, plant trees, which means attention, multitasking. So Meet Forest, it's like having a digital garden where you plant trees. If you need to concentrate, plant a virtual tree on this app. If you leave the app and go to either a different app like TikTok or Instagram, your tree will wither away, which means stay focused, grow your forest, grow your plant, and save the planet. So the third app that I will recommend is called Goodreads. It's more of good reads. So your bookish companion, which means if you're a bookworm, you love to study, rejoice. Hey, so this will help you to kind of have this new book style, which means it tracks your reading progress. It connects you with fellow readers as well. And if it's fiction, if it's non-fiction, if it's poetry, if it's, drama, it all helps you to manage your reading and it keeps your reading list organized. Then the sixth app is called My Fitness app. It helps you to track your health, your nutrition, and also this app helps to, summarize the phrase called health is wealth, which means, this My Fitness pal, it helps you to monitor your nutrition, your long meals, and it helps you to stay focused as well. It's like having a personal trainer and a nutritionist in your pocket. So I recommend MyFitnessPal. It's a really nice app. And the seventh app is called the Habit Bull. It builds positive habits, which means, breaking bad habits, forming good ones. Sounds like a superhero. So I recommend Habit Bull. It's your sidekick. Set goals, track tracks, celebrate small wins. Remember, consistency is a secret sauce. Then the app is Coursera. Coursera helps, you to learn from top universities, all organized and narrowed down in a single channel, which means if you are ready to level up your knowledge, Coursera opens the doors for you to do online courses, certifications from prestigious universities worldwide. So I will really recommend Coursera, which, whether it's coding, psychology, astronomy, digital marketing, media studies, there are a lot of courses waiting for you there. Then the number 9 app is called Notion. Notion helps you to have these projects that kind of compile into a well customized fit for your personal need or for your project need. So it's like your digital Swiss Army knife, which means imagine in a workplace where notes, tasks, projects coexist. So this Notion app helps you to customize it to fit your needs, whether you are planning a trip with your family, friends, personal trip, managing a team, whether you are writing a novel or an ebook or an idea you have. So Notion app helps you to, organize all your tasks and projects. And it helps you to go back to your previous projects to be able to keep track of your current progress as well. Then the 10th app is called One Day. One Day is like a journal of your thoughts. Finally, let's talk about One Day. It's not just a journal, it's a time capsule for your thoughts, memories, reflections. It captures life moments, big or small, and watch your personal growth unfold. So these 10 apps will help you to, have self-improvement and also boost your growth as well. Thank you so much for listening.